Hello guys and welcome to another studio vlog. I've just been counting loads of stickers ready to release in my store. I haven't made that many, to be honest. Emily was making some of them and I've made the rest. So I just need to count and upload these to the store. These are ones that I've run out of because I'm updating my stickers to like this new design, which is really cute, and it's on a smaller piece of paper but it's the same amount of stickers per sheet, and they're just more suitable for planners, and they're about that size, thumb size, finger size. Yeah, they're really cute. I love how these have turned out. The paper has been upgraded as well. It is a very hot. It's in all over the news how it's like the hottest day on record. I'm pretty sure they say that every single year. I've got my blinds shut just to keep the sun out, and today we are going to be doing some photography and stuff because I need to take photos of the new bee products that I've made, like the bee coasters and stuff. So I need to take some product photos of these, and I need to list them in my Etsy store because my studio vlog is due to go live very soon. Ooh, there's like shiny things on my face. So yeah, that's what I need to do. I also need to upload these new Katnipp stickers because I've got a whole bunch of Katnipp emoji stickers. So I've got her painting her nails, I've got her mowing the lawn and doing some gardening, and yeah, things like that. Then just mowing the lawn and stuff. Yeah, there's lots to do. Pamper package one. So I just need to count all these and do the listings for them on Etsy, and yeah, list them. So quite busy. I also have to film a Patreon Q&A today, and yeah, got a lot to do, to be honest guys. And I also have another video to edit. First of all, I'm gonna use this camera because I'm gonna film a Patreon Q&A. So that's what I'm gonna do right now guys. So let's get into the working day. Good morning guys, it is Friday. I've just got in. Please excuse my wet hair, it's really warm and humid, so I just kept my hair wet after the shower. One of the scariest things just happened to me. My life literally flashed before my eyes. It was so scary. I'm probably being totally over dramatic here, but I was driving and it's a nice summer hot day, so I had my windows down and then a bug flew and landed on me, and it was like a big fat thing. I have no idea what it was because I just went into complete meltdown and panic mode, and I was driving so I didn't know what to do, so I was kind of just like this. And honestly, people must have thought I was so weird, but thank gosh I didn't crash. I maintained composure and breathed. And I feel itchy all over now. Oh, God, I hate stuff like that. And it's kind of made me want to draw a comic about it. I haven't done a Katnipp comic in such a long time, and I really want to get back into it because they used to make me laugh so much. But I was thinking, the way I used to illustrate it before, comics take a long time anyway to illustrate because you have to be really expressive with the face and the body language and stuff. But I was thinking of maybe turning them into the more cute Katnipp, which is more simple and easy to draw. So the ones that are in my sticker sets and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna write that down in my comics notes. I'm actually sweating because that was so scary. I must have burnt about 1,000 calories just trying to waft it out of my car. But anyway, it's Friday today and Emily is coming in, and now I need to photograph those bee products. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go through the other room. I was up nice and early this morning. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. It's 8:30, which is great news. So I'm going to go in the other room and we're going to take some photos of all these bee goodies. Let's go, shall we? I need to turn the lights on in the studio. Here we go. Let's take some photos and turn the light on. Also, this is my wall of art prints. So far, It's getting quite big, am I right? This studio is a mess at the minute. Ta-da! So I'm just gonna get some props, like I'm gonna get some a mouse. Oh, I always like nearly knock myself out on this pole thing. I'm gonna get a mouse and I'm gonna get like some sort of book to take photos with. And yeah, I think I'll do it on a pink background, or will I do it on a yellow one? I've got a piece of yellow paper here I could use for the background. I wonder what that's gonna look like. Or maybe half pink and half yellow. Yeah, I might do that actually. Okay, so I've just finished taking the photos, as you've seen there, and now I need to put them on my computer and I need to edit them, like sort out the white balance and the levels and the saturation and stuff. I know that some proper photographers probably do this on the camera, but I don't. I just set it to auto sometimes and I just edit it in Photoshop, to be honest. I edit all the white balance. It's just quicker and easier for me to get it sorted out. If I had to mess around with like the manual settings and stuff, it takes me ages, and I know it can produce nicer photos as well when you've got, you know, the manual settings all set up right, but at the end of the day I need to be prolific and I need to get all these out and ready, so I just switch my camera to auto and I just go and move everything around as quick as I can and get loads of shots and stuff. I think as well, from doing it for so long, I'm used to how I want the photos laid out, so it's easier for me to kind of stage the shots. Before I used to spend hours, like, and not even an exaggeration, like hours literally like staging the photo, putting props in and making things look really cute and pretty, and I used to like put things all over, and I've just cut that out because it's just not time effective. Oh my gosh, your hair is going crazy because there's humidity. But yeah, it's just not efficient, it's not fast. Whereas a clear photo like this, I put the pieces of paper down, sometimes I add in a prop or two and I just get snapping away. Everything is about efficiency, making things easier for me to get things done and get product photos taken and uploaded on Etsy. That is what I like, an easy workflow, make it easy for yourself to do it. I used to find it such a chore to take product photos, if I'm being completely honest. Sometimes I would really like it and I'd be really in the mood to take photographs and stuff, but before, when I just had this office space and when I just lived at home, it was a bit of a nightmare setting all my lighting rigs up. I would have to get them out and I'd have to put them up and it was just a pain. So I used to do a lot of natural light shots, which, to be honest, I still think has the edge towards these. Like, where I can, if I had a really good light source in this room, I would prefer to use a natural light and a white mount board, but I don't have that. So yeah, I don't have a really good light source in this room. It's really dark actually, especially this one, so I have to have my lighting set up. So yeah, now I'm gonna go through there and I'm gonna edit the photos, so nothing much to see there. It's really wet and drizzly outside because there's been like a little thunderstorm because of these. But I love this type of weather, but it's coming a little cooler, which is so nice. We've got the office windows open, and it feels good. It is now 9:30 in the morning and I'm really hoping that Emily wants to go for coffee at Craig's today for Fika Fridays, because I really want to illustrate that comic that happened in the car. I haven't done it for such a long time and now I have an urge to draw a comic. So fingers crossed that Em wants to go for coffee with me today. Yes. Do you want to go for coffee with me at Craig's?
Yeah.
I've got you on the vlog because I was literally saying to the vlog that I really want to go for coffee.
Yeah.
Because I want to take my iPad and draw and get a coffee.
Sounds good to me.
Okay, so I've started editing the photos. It's getting later and later now, and to be honest, I don't like the way they've turned out. Because I was saying earlier that I've just shot it and I wanted to get out quick, I've been editing them, and the pink and the yellow and the coaster, it just looks disgusting. So I'm gonna retake the photos. Can you believe it? But I'm gonna use my new straw bag that I've got. I've got Leah Lexon's pins on here. I've got some cute pins from different makers. And yeah, this is my new bag. So I was thinking this would kind of go because it complements kind of the colours, and then maybe a pink background or something. I don't know. Just the pink and yellow just doesn't go, and because this is kind of like a soft muted yellow background, like creamy beigey type of background, it just didn't go at all. So I'll have to start again. Okay, so I've just finished taking photos, and I used my little straw bag, which you can see over here is like a prop, because it kind of went better. Like, I'm really digging like the neutral colours at the minute. And Emily had this really cute notebook which made the perfect prop. Look how pretty this is. And she's learning Japanese. Look at all her Japanese. And then it also had this dotted paper inside, which was like a peachy colour, which was perfect for the props as well. And it was only £1 from Wilco's, so this is so cute. And look, she's learning Japanese. It's so cute. But yeah, I use this as a prop as well. And yeah, they look a lot nicer, so I'm going to edit them. It is now 25 to 12. Can you believe how long this has taken me? But it does take this long, and I've photographed quite a lot of projects. I think it's because like the designs are different on each coaster, so I have to set up the same photo over and over again. So yeah, it's just took me quite some time. So now I'm going to edit them, and then I'm getting my nails done at 12, and then we're going to go at Craig's, aren't we, Em?
Yep.
So I'm going to get back to work, guys. See you in a little bit. So me and Emily have decided to come to Saltburn. It's really pretty here. It was a nightmare getting parked. We were going around this car park for ages, but we got a spot. Patience is a virtue and all that. And now we're going to head up into there and hopefully get a nice seat so we can overlook the beach and get some food. Exciting! Oh, yeah. And it's getting cloudy, Emily. Look at this.
I know.
Typical. Oh, God's sake. Never mind. It's better than nothing, am I right?
Oh, yeah.
Also, Saltburn Valley Gardens is just through there, and it is so beautiful in there. We'll have to go on an adventure there one day. I'll take you, I promise. That's so funny. That's adorable.
I can walk into like the water path, and then I'll need to sit down and like I've done the moon and stars, the food ones. I'm midway through the Gingy and Spice. Then another one. And the aqua or
So my hair has gone crazy, so please excuse that. I have literally been editing photos and uploading all the listings and stuff since I got back. I also did that Katnipp Komic while me and Emily were out on a break, and then I finished it off when we got back here. And it is now, ooh, Dean's ringing me. It is now 6:30. So 1 second, I'm gonna get this call. So yeah, sorry about that. It's just been kind of really rainy and miserable for the second half of the day. It's really hot and humid. It's kind of like thundery and I love it. I've turned all the lights off. I was listening to Bon Iver, or Bon Iver, however you pronounce it, but I say Bon Iver. And it's just been really cozy and nice in the studio. But yeah, like I said, it is now 6:30 in the afternoon. I've been here for quite a long time and I am going to see my friends. And tomorrow it's Saturday, but I am going to be in the studio all weekend in preparation for me going away for 5 nights on Monday. So I'll see you tomorrow. Love you. Goodbye. Hello guys and happy Saturday. I've just come into the studio and I'm just replying to all the comments because last week's studio vlog went up live and I've just read a comment saying that my videos are really boring now. Now I'm a little bit worried because at the end of the day this is the normal life of an illustrator, or at least it's a normal working week of me being an Etsy shop owner, and this is genuinely just what happens. I pick up on a vlog what happens in a studio vlog. So let me know if you still like to see these sorts of things, because I know a lot of things will be repetitive, but that is just the case. Now I was thinking I could reduce these studio vlogs down into maybe 1 or 2 videos a month rather than every single week. So rather than a weekly studio vlog, it'd be kind of every other week. Let me know what your thoughts on that are in the comments below, because I definitely do not want to be boring you to death, but I definitely am open to critique and criticism and trying to improve for you guys. But this is just genuinely what happens in the studio and kind of what we get up to. It's not all rainbows and sunshine, and we're not always doing amazing cool stuff every single day. Sometimes it is just we get to work, we pack orders, we make new products, we get to work, and then sometimes once a month or something exciting will happen. It's important to me that you're enjoying them and you're getting some sort of value from them, whether you stick me on in the background while you're working and it helps you. Yeah, let me know your thoughts on that. I'm just going to go through all your comments on last week's studio vlog. I can't reply to every single one of them, but I try and like them wherever I can. And yeah, then I've got to edit some videos. I will see you in a little bit because I'm going to get to work on replying to all your comments, so see you very soon. Okay guys, so I finished editing some videos and stuff, and I'm actually just towards the end of this week's studio vlog and it's going to end soon, but I have to first show you this eBay purchase that I made. This is why eBay can be hit or miss. I ordered a fake sheepskin rug off eBay and look how small it's come. It's not like a proper, I don't even know if you can tell, but it's not even like my arm length, and it's meant to be like, you know, one of those big fluffy fake rug things that you can drapes on the back of your chair. Yeah, this isn't big enough to drapes on anything. What the flip? Anyway, that's it for this week's studio vlog. Sorry if it's been a little bit of a chatty one. I've just been super busy, and I actually recorded last week's studio vlog in the same week as this one, so yeah, it's been a bit mad, but I wanted to bring you a studio vlog while I was away at the Lakes District. So yeah, hopefully you still enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts on these studio vlogs. Do you want me to keep doing weekly uploads? Because I don't want you dying of boredom. So thank you so much for watching and for being here at my beautiful Katnipp farm. I will see you all very soon. Alright then, I love you. Goodbye. Ooh.